Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
Reading a book before sleeping. I always feel relaxed when I read a book before going to sleep at night.
That sounds like a great habit because it helps your mind slow down after a long day.
Yes, especially after work. I need something calm to help me forget stress.
What kind of books do you usually read before bedtime?
I prefer light novels or short stories that are easy to follow.
That makes sense because complicated books might keep your brain too active.
Exactly. I tried reading a mystery novel once and I couldn't stop thinking about it.
So you ended up staying awake longer than you planned, right?
Yes, I kept guessing the ending instead of sleeping peacefully.
I usually read self-improvement books, but only a few pages each night.
That's a good idea because too much information can also be overwhelming.
Do you read on your phone or do you prefer physical books?
I prefer real books because screens can hurt my eyes at night.
I agree, and the soft light of a lamp feels more comfortable.
Also, holding a book feels more relaxing than scrolling on a screen.
That's true, and it creates a peaceful bedtime routine.
I usually prepare my bed, turn off bright lights, and then start reading.
That sounds like a perfect way to signal your body that it's time to sleep.
Yes, after about 20 minutes, my eyes start to feel heavy.
That's when you know the book is doing its job.
Sometimes I don't even finish a chapter because I fall asleep quickly.
That's actually a good sign of relaxation.
Do you think reading helps improve sleep quality?
Definitely. It reduces stress and keeps your mind away from worries.
I also feel happier when I read something positive before sleeping.
That's because your last thoughts of the day can affect your mood.
I never thought about it that way, but it makes sense.
So choosing the right book is very important.
Yes, I avoid scary or sad stories before bedtime.
Not smart, because those emotions might disturb your sleep.
Sometimes I read inspirational stories that give me hope.
That's a wonderful way to end the day with positive thoughts.
Do you have a favorite book for nighttime reading?
I like books with short chapters so I can stop anytime I feel sleepy.
That's helpful because long chapters can make you feel stuck.
Exactly, and it keeps the reading experience flexible.
I also keep a bookmark so I don't lose my place.
That's very practical, especially when you fall asleep suddenly.
It happens to me quite often, especially when I'm very tired.
Same here. Sometimes I wake up with the book still in my hands.
That's actually kind of funny and comforting at the same time.
It shows how relaxed you are before sleeping.
Reading has really become part of my nightly routine.
I think it's one of the healthiest habits you can have.
It's much better than watching videos late at night.
Yes, screens can keep you awake longer than you expect.
I've noticed I sleep faster when I read instead of using my phone.
That's because your brain gets a clear signal to rest.
I'm glad I started this habit a few months ago.
Me too. It has made my nights much more peaceful.
Maybe we should recommend this habit to our friends.
That's a great idea because many people struggle with sleep.
Reading could be a simple solution for better rest.
And it also helps improve vocabulary and imagination.
That's true, so it's both relaxing and beneficial.
I'm going to choose a new book for tonight.
Me too. I'm excited to continue my current story.
I hope it helps you sleep well again.
I'm sure it will, because it always does.
Good night, and enjoy your peaceful reading time.